All right, so I want to talk about what to do if you have a NVIDIA graphics card and you run NVIDIA with its overlay, and every time you load into a game, your audio gets muted or messed up somehow. So with the NVIDIA app, you would go into NVIDIA and then make sure that overlay is on. If it's on, then you click Alt Z and that'll pull up your NVIDIA overlay. Mine just shut. Uh, there it is. So it'll pull up your NVIDIA overlay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to highlights, and in highlights, you're gonna turn off capture highlights, and what that'll do is it'll stop background recording and it'll clear up your audio because it's not trying to filter as if you were in a call.